Hey everybody, we are going to check on the camper, get on the batteries. I want to make sure that solar is not pulling too much power from the batteries, and if it is, I guess I'll get the RV guy Ron to put a cutoff thing on it. I forgot what it's called today. December 16th, I've got my grades turned in, graduation is done, and I'm off for a month. Thank goodness, but I got a lot of stuff to do. Even preparing for next semester, but I need to make myself take a break. I think sometimes I get stressed because I feel like, I want to go camping, but then I want to go home to see my family, which is, 4 hours east, but I would like to go someplace out west or south where it's really a lot warmer, so that's the opposite direction. So it's just, I don't know, sometimes I feel like I only have a certain amount of time. So, I don't know, I make myself get stressed out. It's ridiculous. I need to stop doing that. But I've got the poodles with me, and we're going to see. I'll check on the camper and then decide kind of where to go walk the poodles. Well, I checked on the battery, and it's fine, even though that solar thing is still on. I don't know why those batteries went bad. I just don't have any idea what was going on with that. That put my mind at ease. Okay, poodles, let's see where we're going. I thought I would do something different today. Instead of going to walk at the state park, I thought I would show you Boerne. And if you're not familiar with it, it's Boerne. So a lot of people pronounce it incorrectly if they're not from here. But this is a little town north of San Antonio. Same thing happens all over the place, y'all know. Quaint little towns get swallowed up by the big city. It makes me sad because eventually there will be no division between San Antonio and Boerne, but that's just what happens with growth. So we'll see if we can find a place to park, and I'll show you around. Lots and lots of people, lots of stuff going on, especially at Christmas time. Thought we'd walk around with the dogs. It's really crowded. What are those things called? Nutcracker. We're gonna find a place, just a minute. This looks like downtown Ruidoso. We are going doggies. Oh yeah, look at nutcrackers. Got the windows rolled down. Oh, lots of stuff going on. Let's see. Fun teats. That's crowded. Okay, we are out of the vehicle. Finally found a place to park. We're probably 3 or 4 blocks off the main drag. Look at Jim on her little circuitous walk. I don't know what that is. She's got to go back and forth. Some of y'all may not have seen this bumper sticker, but I need to get one. And some people might not know what that Don't Mess with Texas logo is from. That was the anti-litter campaign that started years ago. And so people that aren't from here think, oh my God, it's snobby Texans. But it's really anti-litter. Look at the dog. Okay, y'all, come on, we can't go on people's property. It's quiet down the side streets, but once we get on the main streets, let's see, maybe we'll go through this back way. I love these old buildings. I really do. Oh, that little place is called Cutie Patootie. Lots of little shops. Lots of new smells. Oh. There's the windmill. What do y'all think? City walking. We're doing some city walking. Hello. No. She doesn't want to see you. Y'all don't have to go greet everybody. Gemma. Funtique. Okay, I gotta hold it. Stay with me.
So pretty.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
In that store that's at the bottom of it.
Well, look at the turquoise.
Maybe.
Gemma, stay with me. Turquoise and diamonds. Only in Texas. Pretty that is. Red rooster. Gemma thinks because I stopped that means we're going in. Look, who would think December 16th. Look at the pretty flowers. Got roses, snapdragons. This is a type of salvia. Bees all over it. Pansies. Pansies are real popular right now. All kinds of little vendors and stuff. Neat. Good boy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's go up here and look. Are y'all having fun? Are you having fun? I guess this is safe to drink. You need a drink. Yay. Now get a little drink, Gemma? Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Yay. Gemma's getting a drink. Our little girl just had to say hello. She was just, oh my gosh, eating them up. And yeah, there's lots of people say hello. Y'all are being very good. Y'all are being very good. All these people. Black Rifle Coffee and Apache Rifle Works. Pretty. But hey y'all. Hey y'all, look at this pretty wedding dress. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Wow. Very pretty. Chamber of Commerce, Boerne Business Monthly. Look at this. Pretty. Pickle, pickle. Pickle, pickles. They have pickle samples. Caroline would love it. Samples inside. Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh, we gotta get out of the way. No pickle samples for poodles. Come on. Oh, she didn't think that was very funny. Oh, look how pretty. The door. The lights on. Pixie. Come on, let's go this way. Pansy. Pretty. Pretty. They don't know what to do because people are like walking right in between us.
Yeah, you feel guilty now.
I think they can just walk right in there. It's kind of funny. Little chairs to sit out. That place looks interesting to me. Kitchen stuff, cooking stuff. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Whoa! I'm not sure if that was a train or just a jackass. I don't know. Ice cream place. Oh, there's a tea chemist. Interesting. I don't think we can go in the boutique. I don't think they let us poodles in the boutique. Brewing, of course. Ooh, I like this little building. Cool. Okay, we gotta find out where we parked. Y'all are being very good. Oh, look at this old Coke machine. $1,800. Oh, neat. Cool. Look at this bulldog. Neat. A Coke machine. Oh, mobile. That's cool. These are neat. I even like the doors. It's pretty cool. Hey, Indian Chief. Under the Fig Tree Boutique. Oh, look at all these Coke things. Dr. Pepper. Gas pump. Very old. Friendly Pepper Upper. 10 cents. Neat. Ooh, look at that little place. How interesting. This house. Neat. Beer garden back there. This is really neat. I have to come back here. Sans the Poodles. Look at that gigantic pot. Holy moly. Wow, that's a big one. Wow. Look at that place. That's kind of neat. Free Roam Brewery. And the bison head looks like he's got hops for fur. What's a cocktail workshop? I can guess, but oh, look at this old truck. The Christmas trees in it. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That's interesting. Look at that name. Schwetham? Huh. Lots of German history here, that's for sure. Neat. Look at that. I love that style. Of course, Jimbo just saw a cat. So remember what I was telling you in the beginning of the video of little towns being taken over? This is kind of part of their campaign to stop the growth. I don't know if you can see the reflection. They don't want it to grow. It's kind of sad. Taco house, that looks good. Jimbo said, I would like a taco. Well, they're doing work over here. Let's see. And the river, I wanted to take them along the river, but it's all got the orange stuff up, so it's closed. Some improvements on the river. Oh, it'll be nice when they get it finished. So that's our tour of Boerne. Hope y'all liked it. Have a wonderful holiday. I'm sure I'll do a video before Christmas, probably. I wanted to check in and show you something different. If you're in the area, stop by Boerne and Green, all these little Texas towns. A lot of them are a lot alike, a lot of German influence. And they're really neat.